Hello, Kim. Lovely to see you online again.
Lisa, it's always a pleasure to be with you and with Be and Belong and all of the amazing creations that we have endeavored to do in the past many years. I say to you, as always, how grateful I am for you.
Thank you. We appreciate you and the Relationship Matters team. Here today to talk about a face-to-face event in Melbourne in November this year.
The idea of coming in person is just beyond exciting.
So the first part is a 2-day workshop, Becoming a Behavioural Detective, Understanding and Supporting Challenging Behaviour. And that will be held on Friday, the 17th of November and Saturday, the 18th of November. And we're excited to host you for a third optional day for participants where it's entitled Seeing the Big Picture, Holistic Clinical Reasoning and Intervention. So we're collaborating together on, it's not a new course, it's actually one of your most popular courses. Would you like to share with us then a bit more about how to be a behavioural detective?
How did we come up with this name? I mean, becoming a behavioral detective is at least 15 years old. I was working as a contracted clinician at a place called the Developmental Disability Mental Health Team. And this was a team for youth and adults with both a developmental disability and a mental health diagnosis. And all of these beings were so complex, such that they called us the complex team. And becoming a detective was what you needed to be, was to unpack and reason and think and theorize the multiple contributions to the complexity of the behavior. And as time has unfolded across these many years, so many of our clients are complex.